Okay, so today we're going to talk about the interior and exterior angles associated with triangles. So before we talk about the exterior, we're going to talk about the interior, all right? And so the interior angles, there's three of them. They always add up to equal 180 degrees. So our three spots are going to add together, and they should all equal 180 degrees. So in this case, one of our angles is 70 degrees. Another one of our angles is 50 degrees. All right, plus our missing spot has got to equal 180 degrees. All right, well, if I think about this, these two, 70 plus 50 is 120 degrees. So 120 plus what will give me 180? Some of you are saying, oh, well, I know right now 60 degrees is that answer. Other of you may be saying 180 minus 120. Hey, that will give me my 60 degrees that I can plug in here. All right, but this relationship is always going to work every single time when we look at the inside angles of a triangle. Okay, so for example, here are a few that we can look at. All right, let's say that we have a triangle here, and this angle is measured 50 degrees. All right, and these are isosceles triangles. So in an isosceles triangles, these two base angles are the exact same, and we're trying to find this top angle. All right, well, if this one's 50, then because it's isosceles, that means this one's also 50 degrees as well. All right, so right here you have a 50 plus 50 plus my blank spot equals 180. All right, you can see this is 100. So my blank spot is 80 equals 180. All right, so this angle up top is 80 degrees. All right, check out another example. So maybe pause the video and see if you can do this one by yourself. Okay, so we have a 90-degree angle right here, and we're told that this is a 60-degree angle down here. And we're trying to find x. All right, so in this example, hopefully you've already done this. You know that you have your 90 plus my 60 plus my x is equal to 180. All right, 90 plus 60 is 150 degrees plus my x equals 180. And here I got, if I subtract 150 from 180, I get that x is equal to 30. Okay, so those are good examples of the interior angles in a triangle. Now let's look at something with the exterior angle. So when we refer to an exterior angle in a triangle, all right, that's referring to this angle right here. This is the exterior angle. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the fact that we know something about straight lines. Okay, so I'm going to go over this in orange. All right, if you guys remember anything about straight lines from the very first chapter, all right, we know that straight lines are supplementary, that they add together. Angle 1 plus angle 2, all right, they total up to be 180 degrees. Okay, so we're going to use that idea to help us out with some of these types of problems. Okay, so let's look at the exterior angle in the following triangle. All right, so I have my triangle here. Got a straight line on the very bottom. I'm going to say that this angle is 30, this angle is 40, and I want to know this exterior angle, x. All right, well, the very first thing that I need to do is I need to use what I know about interior angles to find what this angle should be. All right, once I have this angle, I can say that plus angle 2 is equal to my 180, or 180 minus this to give me this. All right, so let's think about this. All right, just my interior angles. Interior angles tell me that 30 plus 40 plus my blank is equal to 180 degrees. Well, these two obviously give me 70 plus my blank equals 180. So we get that this blank space is 110 degrees, right? 110 would be that angle measure. Okay, so if this is 110 degrees, and again, my triangle's not really drawn the greatest, but if I know that's 110, what is my total? All right, 110 plus what would give me 180 total on my straight line here. All right, you can see if this is 110, then this side's got to be 70. All right, so here my exterior angle is 70 degrees. Okay, let's look at another example. All right, a second example for the exterior angle in a triangle. All right, I'm going to draw this one upside down. So here we have something like this. All right, and let's say that this is 57 degrees and this is 44 degrees. And again, I'm looking for x degrees right here. All right, so again, I need to find my interior angle first. So my interior angle is going to be found by saying 57 plus 44 plus a missing spot is equal to 180. All right, so 57 plus 44. All right, I'm just going to come over here on the side because I don't have my calculator today. All right, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 101 degrees. All right, so if this angle is so here we have that 57 plus 44 is 101 plus my blank equals 180. So if we subtract 180 minus 101, we get that my blank is equal to 79. So here this is 79 degrees. All right, all three of those add to equal 180. So we know the interior of our triangle is good. It's set. It's ready to go. All right, so now let's focus on this exterior. So in the exterior part, we know that this has also got to equal 180 degrees because it's a straight line, half a circle. All right, so I know that x plus 79 is also equal to 180. So again, if I just subtract 79, that's going to tell me what my x is equal to. All right, and you're going to see that x is equal to 101 degrees. Okay,